And in this video, I will walk you through how to create a stakehouse and mint your derivative tokens, dETH and slot. Creating a stakehouse and minting your derivatives takes place after you have registered your 32ETH validator with Stakehouse, you set up your node, and your validator is confirmed on the consensus layer. If you have not created a validator with Stakehouse, find the link in the description below for the easy mode guide. With that said, let's get started. Just go to joinstakehouse.com, select the Launch App button, make sure your wallet is connected, and as you can see on your My Profile page, all the validators you have staked. The status column lets you know if you can mint your derivatives. Let's select that. And this pop-up is confirming your eligibility. Now we have a choice to either join or create a stakehouse. Now, as a reminder, joining a stakehouse is recommended for most users and individuals. But since you chose this video, creating a stakehouse is creating a collective for other validators to join your stakehouse. Stakehouses are fully customizable. You can align your stakehouse with unique commercial needs, strategies desired, or whatever else you think fit. For example, these parameters can be around KYC, a chosen node operator, or whatever you think is important. So let's create a stakehouse. On this page, you can see the amount of derivatives you will mint, 24 dETH and 8 slot. Next, you'll have to choose a stakehouse ticker name. This name has to be 3 to 5 characters long. If a stakehouse ticker name is already taken, a message will pop up in red like this. For this video, we will create the not stakehouse. And then once you've chosen a name, just select the balance reporting. This is to ensure you have the required minimum 32ETH validator balance. Once that is completed, you can now select mint, confirm your validator key, mint the tokens. You'll confirm the transaction on your wallet. And now you'll just wait until the transaction goes through. And there you go, you have created your own stakehouse. Stakers will now be able to join your stakehouse, and you can view this transaction on Etherscan, and you can go to My Profile page. Here you can see your stakehouse name and is eligible for stakers to join. You see here we have S0, and you can see your newly minted tokens, 24 dETH and 8 slot tokens. Remember that slot tokens will show up as sETH in your wallet. Thank you for watching, and for the most up-to-date information on Stakehouse, join our Discord in the link below.